Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on or turn off separate app sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. First of all, go to the settings of your phone here. Then go to sounds and vibration. And here select separate app sound. And here click on turn on now this button. Okay. If it is turned off, you have to turn on this button. Otherwise, if you would like to turn off if you would like to turn on, you have to use this button. If you would like to turn off, just click behind this button and it will be turned off. Okay, I have turned on turn on now, and click on app. Which are what are the apps to be selected here? I will be showing. Okay, we can also add some more apps. So for these apps, a separate app sound can be used. Okay, here click audio device from phone or Bluetooth device. Okay, you got to choose another device. Okay, that is audio device for your particular apps. In this way, you can easily turn on or turn off separate app sound in your phone Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra 5G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.